Okay, so next you're gonna need to do all the following, every single bit of it.
Okay, so it would not let me do screen record, so I'm just gonna show y'all pictures. Okay, so it would not let me do screen record, so I'm just gonna show y'all pictures.
Okay, so first you're gonna click on my iPhone, then click on GarageBand. Nothing else, okay? Okay, so first you're gonna want to click on audio record, nothing else but audio record. Then you see the three squares in the left corner. Click to the right of that, and now you see it as a microphone. Then you see the loop-de-loop in the right corner. Click on that, and then pull up Files. Click on Files, and then click on the first one that's up there. Make sure to put it on the top. It cannot be anywhere but the top. Okay. So this part I kind of messed up on. So instead of doing this, you're gonna press the arrow, what I'm doing now, and then click on your song, and then you're gonna want to do share, and then you're gonna want to press on ringtone, and then export. Okay. Then you're going to want to. Okay. So press on ringtone, then export. Then it should say that. Okay, use as, click on that, and then you could use as all of the followings. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.